How to turn on or off birthday notifications on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off birthday notifications on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app and now click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon, and here click on notifications and scroll down until you find birthday. And now if you turn off all notifications on Facebook by turn on allow notifications, you can turn off all notifications, or you can turn on or off where you receive those notifications, for example on emails, SMS, or push. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.